Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Nice wood grain trim, silver accents, sunroof. Around to the back of the vehicle, we have our GLK 350, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging, as well as a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our reader seats here. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Another look at the sunroof. So we do have memory seats for the driver's side here. The driver's seat controls right here. Driver door controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Now we do have 115,070 for mileage currently on this vehicle. We have a push button ignition. Here is our display, currently showing the radio, and of course you can control that display using the little command module right here. Yeah, below that we have various controls, including your volume, tracks, and whatnot, as well as any phone controls. Below that is climate control, and cup holders, and of course the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle or any of the others on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.